Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for everyday life. Today, we're tackling how to use the Amazon gift card in 2025. With Amazon constantly updating its features, using a gift card has never been easier or more convenient. Whether you received one as a gift or earned it through rewards, I'll walk you through the simple steps to redeem and spend it hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by checking your gift card balance. Head over to the Amazon website or open the app on your phone. If you're on the website, log into your account and go to the Gift Cards section. There, you'll find an option to enter your gift card code or simply view any existing balances. In 2025, Amazon has made this even smoother with facial recognition or quick scan features for physical cards. Super futuristic, right? Next, redeeming your gift card is a breeze. Once you're logged in, navigate to Account and Lists and select Gift Cards. Enter the 14 or 15-digit code from your card and hit Redeem. You'll see the balance added to your account instantly. Pro tip: if you have a digital code via email, just copy and paste it to avoid any typos. Now, for the fun part, applying it to your purchases. When you're shopping on Amazon, add items to your cart as usual. At checkout, look for the Payment Method section. Select your gift card balance, and it will automatically deduct from your total. If your purchase exceeds the card's value, you can easily pay the difference with another method like a credit card. Remember, in 2025, Amazon's AI might even suggest deals that maximize your gift card usage. One more thing. If you run into issues, like an invalid code, don't panic. Contact Amazon support through their chat feature, which is now powered by advanced bots for faster responses. Always keep your account secure with two-factor authentication to protect your funds. And there you have it. You're all set to enjoy your Amazon gift card in 2025. This simple process can save you money and make shopping a delight. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.